Yeah, buddy. Uh-oh. Oh, he's sitting on his rocker.
Yep.
Right there. Don't hit it. Don't. I was gonna say don't hit it too hard.
These rocks in that hole.
Here we go. Back the other way. Yeah. Can't believe I got that on videotape, dude.
Dude, that is sweet. Unbelievable.
Dude, the Renegade is unstoppable.
It is. One-leggers front and rear. Tickety old 6-cylinder, no gas cap.
I'm gonna ruin this camera out here in the rain. Hope I get all the pictures and video off of it first.
Here we go. Nice.
Oh, watch the rocker.
Oh. Nope. Just scuffed a paint job. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Spitting out boulders.
Yep, that's what front and rear lockers will do for you right there.